In this video, I'm going to show you how to create proper HTML structure on your HTML pages, how to lay out your documents properly, and we're getting started right now. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's Bjorn from Higher Learning Lab, where we help you get better at coding so you can earn more for yourself, for your clients, or for your business. If it's your first time here, make sure you click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell notification icon so you're notified when we publish more awesome tutorials for you. And with that out of the way, let's get into the screen capture of this tutorial. I'll see you there. And on the left-hand side here, I have the code that creates a basic HTML page using basic HTML structure. And the page is rendered in a browser on the right. And to start off every HTML page, you have to start with the doctype. And in this case, I have the doctype of HTML, which means HTML5 is what this doctype is calling. And the next tag you enter is the HTML tag, and tags are created by opening the pointy bracket, adding the name of the tag, and then closing the pointy bracket. And some tags also have attributes that you can put inside of them. We're not going to cover that here, but some of them do, just keep that in mind. So they'd be something like, for example, style equals, open and close quotes, would be an attribute that you've added to an HTML tag where you can put further data and for the commands for the design structure of the page. But as far as basic structure goes, we're not going to be covering that. So we have the HTML opening tag, and at the end, in HTML, most tags have to have a closing tag. So we have the closing tag down here. There are some tags like the image tag, line break, horizontal rule, the link include tag. They're self-closing. So they actually only have one tag like this. They don't have a second closing one like the HTML tag does. So just keep that in mind. You might run across instances where some tags don't have both an opening and closing. They just have an opening and they're what's called self-closing. So after the HTML tag, which lays out the full HTML page, we have what's called the head tag. We have the head opening and the head closing. And in the head, things like the title will go. This title will appear as the title of the page. You would include things like style sheets in the head, links to JavaScript, links to favicons. Anything you want to include in the page that's required to render the page is included here. And then following that, we have the body tag, body opening tag and body closing tag. Within the body tag is everything that you want to render inside of a web browser. So in this quick example that I whipped up here, we have an H1 tag, which is a heading, which shows as big and bold by default. On the right-hand side, you can see it here. Then we have a short paragraph tag with a link, and then we have a list. And then after that, we close the body tag, and that essentially ends the visible content on your page. Inside the body tag, you can also include scripts like JavaScript, which isn't visible on the page, but can be included in the body tag. But as a general rule of thumb, in the head tag, you include all of the things that you need for your page to render or load, like style sheets, JavaScripts, things like that. In the body tag, you have all the things you want to display on the page, like the text we have that we see here. And wrapped around the head and the body tag, we have the HTML tag. And then at the very top, we declare the doctype for the HTML page. So that's how easy it is to create proper HTML structure on your pages. I hope this video helps you. If you haven't done so yet, click on the subscribe button, then click on the bell notification icon so you're notified when we publish more awesome content. And then click on that card that just appeared in the top right of this video for some awesome resources. And until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.